Yeah, he doing his garage door mic. We're going to show you a landscape or cargo trailer repair. This one here, the cables busted. One was missing, and then this hardware where the cable goes to was folded over, so we bent it back up. The welds are still good. You can see right there the welds are good. So we put on some new cables with the loop here with the little lock nuts. You okay? That might be a little bit too much. It's like coming up now. We might have to readjust it, but let's see here. New cables on there. Okay, they go up into here, and then you get the spring wound up, bearings there, and then we'll show you how it goes up. Check the cable tension, okay? How are the cables now? Okay? Pardon me?
We still got the length cable there.
How? Maybe we could.
This one's
Well,
a little bit loose.
do we adjust this maybe?
Let me slip it with the door up.
How's that?
Okay, try it with both latches.
Huh?
Try it with both latches. Make sure it's slow as it.
Hey, what's going on? Scrap guys here. Gonna get all our stuff. Ready?
Yeah, latch it.
Oh. How's that? Yeah? Alright, let's lift her up. And down. These are relatively easy, not like the truck trailer doors we do. We oiled the hinges there too for them, and that's it. Cargo truck trailer repair doors. Innovative door. If you're new to the channel, smash the subscribe button, smash the like button, drop a comment, drop a question. We'll help you out any way we can. Innovative door for your cargo and truck trailer repair door needs. 630-271-9343, www.innovativedoor.com. Like us on Facebook, we'll like you. Thanks for watching our video, and as always, I encourage everybody to praise the Lord. Thank you for watching our video. Smooth as silk.